ChatGPT assists a student, brainstorming ideas for an essay, as keywords and phrases flow onto the digital page. On another screen, ChatGPT solves complex math equations step by step, illuminating each solution with clear explanations. Diagrams appear, showcasing intricate concepts, while ChatGPT simplifies these ideas with engaging animations that make learning fun. A user types in a science question, and ChatGPT responds with detailed insights, highlighting key information with vibrant graphics. As the clock ticks, ChatGPT helps organize a project, creating a timeline and breaking down tasks into manageable steps. With a few clicks, a poetic stanza forms, inspired by ChatGPT's suggestions, illustrating creativity in action. The screen transitions to a language learning session, where ChatGPT aids in vocabulary building with interactive quizzes. A collaborative brainstorming session unfolds, with ChatGPT guiding a group in developing a compelling presentation. Suddenly, ChatGPT generates a list of historical events, providing context and significance with each entry. As deadlines loom, ChatGPT offers writing tips, helping users refine their work and enhance clarity. In a lively chat, users explore philosophical questions, with ChatGPT facilitating a deep discussion on ethics. With a swift motion, ChatGPT summarizes a lengthy article, capturing the essence in bullet points for easy review. Images of coding appear, as ChatGPT assists in debugging, clarifying each error and providing solutions. Finally, users celebrate their achievements, showcasing completed projects and essays, all thanks to ChatGPT's guidance.